Hi everyone. In this video I would like to make an overview of Lycia online documentation. Lycia online documentation provides guidelines on how to install, how to obtain a license, and how to run Lycia application. It also describes all the features and tools available in Lycia. In order to get access to Lycia online documentation, you should visit Querix.com. In this menu bar here, select product item and click on Lycia. Here you will see that one more menu bar is displayed. This item, Docs and Videos, provides access to the online documentation. Here you can see several sections displayed on your screen. Number one is frequently asked questions. Here you can find most commonly asked questions about Lycia application and its features and replies to them. Lycia for Beginners is a contracted version of Lycia online documentation which is sufficient to get first acquaintance with Lycia applications and its capabilities. In online documentation full version, you will see the full version of online documentation, including all the points which will be useful for advanced users. And here, in zipped HTML, you can just download the full version of online documentation to your hard drive. As you see, the structure of Lycia documentation is arranged in the following way. It is divided into chapters. Chapters have subsections or just pages. Besides that, the structure of Lycia online documentation provides you the search function, which allows you to search directly by terms or by whatever may be interesting to you, and to get direct access to the pages which are relevant in your search, like user interface. So here you can see the results of your search displayed on the screen, mentioning the chapter number and the link to the page, which will provide you the necessary information. So it's quite easy to use and it's rather user friendly. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for your attention.